Hey guys, quick video, a very raw, unscripted video for you, but I think this will work. So, POS Solutions and I have been working on the Memo button. So the way it works now, let me tell you about it, then I'll show you how it works. So now the way it works now is when you hit Memo button, it's going to open up a window with pre-selected memo phrases for you to choose from, but then you also have the ability to type in a memo as well. So let's say somebody comes up here and says, I want 2 dozen donut holes in separate bags. You'll click on Quick Memo. It's the same place the memo button was, it's just now it's called Quick Memo. Quick Memo, separate, and then you continue ordering. So now they say, hey, I want coffee, regular coffee with 2 creams, 2 sugars. Quick Memo, 2 creams, 2 sugars, or you can also use the quantity up here. So you can go drinks, regular decaf coffee with 4 creams, and there you go. So that's how that works. Now we can think about the phrases here, but I would like to get to the point where we can use a phrase multiple times. So what I'm thinking right now is that we could have one called no glaze. So if somebody comes up here and says, I want a 1 glazed donut with no glaze but sugar, so we could say no glaze, which I haven't put on here yet, but then we would click on sugar. So that sugar button can be used in that scenario plus the coffee scenario. So we got to think about things that we wouldn't put on here, but things that we can use multiple times. So we don't want to have a lot of buttons here, because then if you put too many buttons here, it's going to be faster to type it out. So we don't, that's the whole thing, is to be efficient. If you get to a point where you need to write something in here, you would then, this memo button works the way the old memo button did. So you would type whatever and that memo would be put on there. So there's still a way to hand type a memo button. Let me show you how to hand type Quick Memo and the memo. There you go.